Wednesday, June 1st. Got beat up pretty bad yesterday, feeling sort of just uncomfortable about this whole thing. I'm really tired of losing, but we have to keep at it. Got an island bar coming up here. Take that short. Rearrange some things there. I got the 8 and 4 over here and the 5, and I put some of the line break charts on the right hand side. Canceling this trade. So is this extended divergence here, just coming off of this resistance, resistance. I thought about going short here. We've got dark red and lumps. I just got to get used to this multi-chart stuff. I'm going to take this turn signal here. No, I'm not. I'm going to take this basic divergence short right here if it hits 40. It's got a pretty nice form. I think we're about to be filled on this one. So we're filled here, this basic divergence, short. And there's our 1 bar target. Okay, so I'm looking here at the 5 better, looking for a down bar here. Well, here's on this one. We could have gone long on this for that same setup at 64. But here I was looking for 2 down and then the lump up. I'm going to go have a long here on this lump trade. Indicators are dropping off. Could be just consolidating. On this 4 better, that pattern held up just fine. You know, turn signal down and lump up. Basic divergence down for 2 bricks. That was pretty nice form, although I don't like it when it gets extended like that. So these resistance levels keep changing. So here we got big volume building up right here. Gonna cancel this. So I was tempted on going along here on this basic divergence, but everything is down so much. I didn't take this one here. I didn't take this one because it was close to this. I thought this was a support, but it's just plain resistance. I could have, and you've got the big giant volume bar here, and then this one here was right down at support. And if you expand this out, we're down in the muck right now, so we want to avoid that. But going along here probably wouldn't have been a bad thing at 24. Going to take 1 brick long here on this basic divergence. Got support here, got a Wi-Fi signals everywhere. But you know, everything's down. This is dumb. Get out of this. And I go short on this island bar right here. It's right at support. Big support. I would lock in our $100. Okay, so we got something. I chickened out on this one here. Got 3 extra ticks out of it. But here's going to be our 2 bars that we were looking for. Fuck. Was gonna go long on this thing here. It's not looking so good on this side. We got some congestion here, but we'll see what it does. Yeah, that was the winner. I'm gonna go long right here. So I think what this is a higher high. Everything's turning around, so this is another leg up, I believe. So really tempted to move this thing up here to 100 and lock in $100, but let's just hold out for our target. Pretty frustrating. So stopped out, break even. Okay, got the lump trade going on here. It is near these double tops, but if it closes, actually we should change this to just 1 bar. We'll do 1 brick here. And then look for the second against. Cancel. Got a sell stop here in this IB. Say a 1 bar lump, wasn't an IB. Fucked that one up. Right near support. So we got the short here, short here. So see if we can get our 1 brick out of this thing. Give me 1. Should have moved that up. Probably wouldn't have got filled though. Okay. Notice how that support level vanished too. I didn't even notice that. It's still over here, but it did vanish on the 5 better. There's a basic divergence forming here, which I kind of like. The form, it's nice and hollow, but when you expand it out, you see we're just in the muck. So this would have triggered at 85, made a quick brick, and then it would be torturing you again. So second against stub forming over here. I'm not going to take any long trades in this though. And that was good for a brick. Okay, looking for the second against here on this one. It's going to get one brick. We're a second against everything. Well, the 4 better you expect it to be with it. There we go, target. I just took this IB short here. Looks like I got a tick of slip. Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out of this fucker. Yeah. Yeah, I got a short here. It's not gonna fire. Okay, here we go. So we got the red, green, red on the 4 better. And basic divergence forming here. And if we can get in here at 95, take it, we'll just take 1 brick in case this thing's going to start forming a higher low. Okay. Looking for our 1 brick. Okay, got filled. Okay, gonna try this on the 4 better. Second against. Shorted 08. Had the 1 brick here, long 12, looking for 17, would have barely got it. So we got indicators falling right here. Got this big green candle. So this was the exact setup you were looking for, except it's on the 4 better. So you have a turn signal and the lump long, and then the stub short. So here everything is green. Got a lot of support right here. It's probably should have expanded that a little bit. But the indicators are falling. So I'm going to get this down here. Okay, here's 1 brick. You were looking for 2. Let's lock in something. So we got our stop hit on this. It didn't hit that like we wanted. Well, we're doing 4 betters, so anyway, did what we were looking for. And we did get 2 full bricks on this thing, so got 4 instead of the 10. Going for a BD long right here. Actually, I take that back. I'm going to watch this. I'm not going to take it just because I'm afraid of messing up my record here. But this has a pretty nice form. It's got this huge volume and it's not going anywhere, and it's right at support. So going here at 72, could you get it back to 77? Yeah, we've got a second against forming here and against support. But the trend is just down. Everything is